Hello guys, so today I want to talk about how to create a data entry form. So first, what is a data entry form? A data entry form is a form that is being used to enter data into a database to without making mistakes on your database. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to input our subheadings into our columns and make sure that there's enough space for each subheading. So create first name, last name, emails. I have to make use of one hand to record this. City, and let's say phone number. So what we are going to do next is we are going to highlight this headings and go to insert. After going to insert, you can see we have table, and we need to click on table, and we come down here, we can see we have my table as headers. So we need to click on this to be able to create a cursor for our tables. So after clicking my table as headers, it comes out like this. So what next we need to do is to come back here to the ribbons and right click, and we can see we have hide quick access toolbar, customize the ribbon, collapse the ribbon. So what we need to do is to go to customize the ribbon, and we have this. So we'll go to my lower right hand side and click on new tab. If you follow my cursor, you can see that I have new tab here, and we see new tab custom. Since we are creating a data entry form and we need to add it to our ribbons, then we need to rename it this. So right click and come to rename. So we'll say data entry. After renaming this, we would just click on this heading immediately beneath the data entry form, and we'll go to this other side on my left hand side with the cursor. We'll click on the cursor and go to commands that are not in the ribbon. So remember, what we are trying to do is still add forms to our ribbon. Then we'll come down here and look for forms, and voila, forms. We have forms. We'll click on forms and add it. So after adding it, it automatically comes down here, you see here, and then we click on OK. So after doing this, you can see just right here that a new data entry form has been created for us. So what we need to do is to click on the data entry form, and we can see that our form has been created. Click on this. Okay, so sorry, no way. Okay, no shit. Yeah, and we have our forms, and then you can always input your information on this form. What is the use of this form? The form is to make sure that when we're inputting data into our database system, we are not making any type of mistakes. So it also helps us to be able to monitor what we are imputing. You understand? So I can see whatever I'm doing right now without making mistakes before it goes into my original form. You understand? So, and after doing this, we'll click on enter, and when we click on enter, it automatically goes into our form. So this form helps if you are in a company setting and all of that. So so if you oh shit. Okay, so you can do this again. Put in the words all of your forms to input into the database and click on enter. Everything automatically goes into here. And if you will need to maybe sort it by size, sort it by alphabet, try to change the how it appears on the forms, you can always click on each cursor, and as you can see over here, you can sort it by Z, the descending order of Z to A or A to Z. Anyhow, anyone works for you. So this is just like a 2 minute process of creating a data entry form that can be useful for you in your various companies. And that's that. If you have any more information and questions, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.